They called her the mother of the nation, Winnie Mandela. While Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in prison, Winnie stood on the outside, defiant, unshaken, and leading the fight against apartheid. She was jailed, beaten, and exiled to remote villages, but she never gave up. Winnie inspired millions of South Africans to rise, to march, to believe freedom was possible. But her life was complicated too. Accused of violence, criticized for her methods, loved fiercely by some, feared by others. When Nelson Mandela finally walked free in 1990, Winnie was right by his side, the image of victory after decades of struggle. But behind the smiles, their marriage could not survive the years of pain and separation. They separated just 2 years later, in 1992. Winnie Mandela's story is one of courage, pain, and controversy. A woman who carried both the hope and the scars of South Africa's struggle. What do you think? Was she a hero or a villain of history?
I shall never lose hope, and my people shall never lose hope. In fact, we expect that the work will go on.